Welcome to this tutorial on how to open an ETrade Brokerage account. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process to get started with investing. ETrade is a popular choice for both beginners and experienced investors, so let's dive in. First, visit the ETrade website and look for the Open an Account button. Once you click on it, you will be prompted to choose the type of account you want to open. ETrade offers different options, such as individual brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and joint accounts. Choose the one that best fits your investment goals. Next, fill out the online application form with your personal information. You will need to provide details such as your name, address, social security number, and employment information. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. After that, you will be asked to answer some questions regarding your financial situation and investment experience. Once you have completed the application, review the terms and conditions and submit your application. You may need to verify your identity by uploading a document such as your driver's license or passport. After your application is approved, you will receive an email confirmation. Then you can fund your account and start trading. Thank you for following along, and happy investing.